guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Windows 10 screen flickering or is flashing or something like that. So let's get started. How you can fix it. I have multiple methods that you can try and see if it works for you, and let's get started. Let's go to start and then click on this setting gear icon, this settings, and then once we're here, you go to this to system and then go here to display. Then we're gonna scroll down and go here on advanced display settings, and then here make sure you have selected the display that you want. Go to display adapter properties for display 1, and then here we're gonna go to monitor, and then here on hertz make sure there's the right hertz for your monitor, whichever your monitor supports. So after we've done that, after select the hertz, go to properties, and then here go to driver, and then just go disable device, click on yes, and then go again on enable device to restart it, and click OK, go OK, and close and see if it still does that. If it still does, I have another solution. Which you can try is to go to start and type in device manager like this, and then click on this one, device manager, and then here we're gonna go to display adapters, select display adapters, and go right click on your graphics card on your display adapter. You may have multiple of them, so go from properties, then go to driver, go to update driver, go to browse my computer for driver software, go let me pick from a list, and here you will have multiple drivers which you can click on them, and I'm gonna select another one. So this is the one that's selected currently. I'm gonna select on this one, go next, and now if it still doesn't work, just go back, update, go this, and just choose again the default one that it was before. Okay, close and see if it works. Okay, one more method that you can try is to go to start and type in cmd, and right click on this command prompt and run as administrator. Click on yes. So here we need to put these commands. This will be linked in the description below the video. So we have to copy this prompt first. I'm gonna put it, I'm going to enter, and now here we're gonna put this sfc, I'm gonna paste there and click on enter. I'm gonna wait to process it. So then we're gonna copy this one and put here, and after we've done that, just close the cmd and restart your PC and see if it fixed your issue or not. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and ask many questions if you have. Thank you and bye.